So one of the most rewarding things to do when you have farm equipment is to help other people. We're gonna go attempt to pull down old pillars from a driveway with our tractor. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna give it a try for a friend in need. Tyler, you ready? Part of me was thinking that I should just crash into it on my way up the hill, but that's not a good idea. So we're gonna have to strategically figure this out. That's the pillar. I'm just gonna beat on it and see what happens, and then maybe dig a little around it, see if we can shake it up and pull it out of there. Here we go. Tyler, you gonna take it apart by hand? Yeah. Oh, he's just gonna use his hands. What we mean by document and don't create. We weren't trying to... See how that just fell? We lost hydraulic pressure in our bucket. So now we've got a leak and we're trying to get back home. And the bucket, I thought disconnecting the hose would be a good idea, but it was still leaking. We're trying to connect the hose back up so we can at least lift the bucket up so we can get back home. Tyler, get down here.
Okay.
So this is our leaky hose. It's leaking from in here somewhere, so I'll have to get the whole thing replaced. I'll have to remove it from the tractor. That shouldn't take long. Bring it down to the shop. They'll fix it, replace it. It's no big deal, but it sucks when it happens when you're in the middle of a project.
We lifted something a little too hard, heavy, and then it just popped.
Yeah, but I think it was getting old. Anyways, so we got curl pressure back. We can move left to right. That's enough to put our stuff back in the bucket and get home. But we can't really get up. We're up high enough.
We don't have enough power to get it up.
We can't get it up, exactly.
Yeah.
That's a problem. can't get the red one back in. So we're just gonna keep the red one disconnected.
And that right there just gonna have to stay there.
Yep, it's just gonna stay. We're gonna get home and we're gonna take the whole bucket assembly off the tractor. Turn it off. Turn the camera off, let's go. I don't think it'll work.
Why is it not going off?
Nope, it's not gonna work. What I was going to try to do is I was going to try to take the whole bucket assembly off, but because that hydraulic hose is broken, the leg won't drop down that holds the bucket. You're holding the camera crooked, by the way. The leg won't drop down to take the whole bucket assembly off. It usually takes 30 seconds to pop that whole thing off. So I'm just going to disconnect the whole bucket, and then we'll take that black hose off and go from there. We're all set. The hose is off. It's actually this one right here, already disconnected. That whole assembly on the end there will probably get replaced. They'll cut it back to like here, put a new assembly on, get it all fixed up, and we'll be good to go. I actually got lucky. It was this top one that was blown here, not one of the ones that in the middle. Like that one would have been harder to get to, or that one, just because of all the other ones in the way. But we're good. I stayed clean, which is nice, so I can put these clothes back on the hanger for tomorrow, and we're good to go. Unfortunately, tomorrow's Labor Day, so more than likely they're closed. So we'll get it fixed Tuesday morning maybe, and we'll be back. But we literally took that stump down in 10 minutes. It's not gonna be a problem, not stump, the pillar down in 10 minutes. It's not gonna be a problem to get the rest. And I actually came up with a great idea. Dig the hole a tiny bit, move the big rock out of the way, dig the hole about 6 inches deeper, put the rock back in, fill it with dirt. That's what we should have done. Why drag that massive rock so far? So that's hopefully the next stage we're gonna do, take the other pillar down. We should have them both down by the end of the week. Literally less than an hour and a half, 2 hours worth of work when the equipment works. So life on a farm, like equipment breakdowns, things happen. It's no big deal. Subscribe, follow below.